So y'all, I'm gonna show you how I installed this wig from JessiesWigs.com. We have this nice ash blonde color. So when I got the wig, it came in this really cute Christmas packaging, and here is the JessiesWig box that my wig came in. So inside of the box, I received some makeup brushes, a beauty blender, a wig cap, Christmas press-on nails, an elastic band, some lashes. So it definitely came with a lot of cute gifts, and here's the wig. So I just wanted to show y'all how the hairline has already been customized. It's been pre-plucked. The knots have already been bleached. So the wig basically comes ready to put on your head, and after I put that wig cap on, I'm just putting some makeup on the wig cap to kind of blend it in. Then I'm going in with my rat tail comb and my hot comb and trying to get this wig as flat as I can. So next I just pin the hair back, and I'm just trying to figure out exactly where I want to glue the lace down. I went ahead and cut off my ear tabs. And next I'm just going in with some Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just applying this directly to my hairline. And I did about 2 or 3 layers of this glue before I laid the lace down, and I'm just using my edge brush applicator to smooth out this glue. And like I said, I did multiple layers. So after the glue turned clear, I went ahead and laid down my lace, and I'm just combing back all those loose hairs so that they don't get caught in the glue. Next, I'm going in with my scissors and just cutting off that extra lace that we don't need. So after that, I like to clip all the hair up so that I can put on my elastic band. I'm also going in with some adhesive spray, and I'm just applying this back onto that hairline. I'm also going in with some adhesive spray just to kind of blend in that lace even better. And then I just took the elastic band and tied down the lace. So while the elastic band is on, I just went ahead and curled the hair. Even though this wig already came pre-curled, I did just go back in and kind of style it myself with my own curling wand. And I also went back in with that hot comb and really tried to get this wig as flat as I could. Next, I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm literally just applying this onto my part to make it look more natural. Then I'm using this Paul Mitchell serum and just applying this to the hair just to give it a nice shine. And this hair is super soft, y'all. As y'all can see, I can run my fingers through it effortlessly. I decided to not do any baby hairs this time just because this hairline looks super natural. I did also cut a few layers to kind of frame my face a little bit. And that was literally it, y'all. This wig was super easy to install. It came out looking super natural. The hairline was super easy to install. And that was it, y'all. As y'all can see, I didn't do any plucking, no bleaching. Literally took it out the box and put it on my head, and it looks pretty good. So if y'all want to check out this wig, make sure you go to JessiesWigs.com. The link will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. So next I'm doing some makeup organizing. I'm organizing all my makeup in my vanity desk. So I hope y'all enjoy some of this footage with a little ASMR. Okay, y'all, so here's all the makeup brushes. As you can see, they all deeply need to be cleaned. Got finied and chewed on a few of them. Crazy. I bought this on Amazon, the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. So I wanted to try this out. I also have this one. So I'm gonna just test both of these out and see which one works the best. And then I also bought this little silicone bristle thing so that I can clean them on this. And I have a third cleaner right here. This is from Shein. I just was going through their little beauty section and I saw this on here. We're gonna test all three of these and see. This was obviously probably the cheapest one, probably like $3, but I have a feeling this one probably gonna work the best. I'm always seeing it on my feed, so we're gonna try it out and see. Okay, so far I got all of these brushes cleaned. Here are the other brushes I gotta do. This took so long. I even threw some of the brushes away, y'all. We got a few more to go, so I'm about to wash these real quick. So I bought this little acrylic container. I'm gonna put all the brushes in here. They are officially all clean. Y'all, this GLAM brush and sponge cleaner, I got it from Shein. This stuff was probably like $3 and it worked better than all the other cleansers I used. And I didn't use it until the very end. These were the last brushes I had to do, so they're still drying. But I used this on these. And I just feel like it got them so much more clean. Okay, so I basically tried to divide them up. So these are all the foundation brushes. These are all the powder brushes. And in this cute little middle section, I can add my little everydays in there. Y'all, it feels so good to have all my brushes cleaned at one time. I haven't had all of them washed like this in forever. Okay, y'all, I don't know what kind of measurements I thought I was doing, but this is not gonna fit whatsoever. I was trying to get it to fit this gap, but that's definitely not happening. So I basically just wasted a whole bunch of time putting this together, but it's all good though. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look of the room. The only thing that I really want to change is this chair. I don't know, I want a more glam looking chair. Over here, like I said, this is going to be the backdrop for when I do the videos. In here, this is most of the camera equipment, lenses, camera batteries, different camera stuff, more batteries and more camera stuff over here. And then this is just some of the extra makeup. I'll get into that last because it's not anything major. So over here is the vanity. Vanity is from Impressions Vanities, so I'll leave the link down below if y'all want to check it out. The mirror can actually be put onto the wall, like you can actually mount it onto the wall, but obviously it's a window right here, so I can't do that. So I kind of wish I did put it on the wall though, because this little surfboard part of it takes up a lot of space, but it still works. So here's the vanity. Over here I keep all the makeup brushes, and then in this first drawer is like my favorite palettes that I like to use. I do have more of them
In this last drawer, it's just like extra palettes. This is another one of those drawers where I just kind of put extra products that I don't use that often. But these top 3 is more of the stuff that I use often. So this is like the special effects makeup stuff. Like I have the glitter, liquid latex. Back here I have like special effect makeup. This drawer is like the everyday makeup drawer. In this first drawer I have more primers, more setting sprays and stuff like that. And then I also just keep makeup wipes in there. So in this middle drawer I just have all of well, I have some of my different lip glosses and matte lipsticks. And then in this drawer is where I keep all of the lashes that I use. Some of these lashes y'all sent to me in my P.O. box. I know I got this one in my P.O. box. Shout out to Nye Luxury Lashes. I know I got these in my P.O. box. Oh, this is from the same brand, so make sure y'all go check them out. And then these drawers on this side is most of the everyday hair stuff I use. In this drawer, I keep like ponytail holders, rubber bands, bobby pins, more clips over here. In this next drawer, I keep all of the different wig caps for wigs. And then these are like the everyday hot tools that I use for my hair, like the flat iron, curling iron, hot comb, the blow dryer. I have another one, but I think I have it in my room. So yeah, I usually keep both of my blow dryers in here. And then in this last drawer is where I keep all of my other hair tools. And I just have this mirror. I use that for like, you know, closer up. And then over here, this little spinny acrylic thing. Got this off of Amazon, and I just keep all the like everyday hair stuff that I need. That is basically everything on the vanity. I just have this here for display, but it's like all of my Smashbox lipsticks. I also have some of my beauty blenders. And my favorite part is all of my lovely brushes because they are freshly washed and clean, and it's nothing like having all your brushes cleaned at one time. And then obviously these are all my shoes, purses. And then over here in this closet, this is where I keep more hair stuff. I'm so proud of these little bag things because these actually came from Amazon, y'all. These were supposed to be for hats, like you're supposed to put hats in it. I actually decided to use it for my wigs instead, and it's just super functional. I had all of them labeled and I had them in bags, but somehow a lot of them aren't in bags anymore, so I gotta reorganize them, sort it out by color and everything. But for now I just have them hung up in here. I'm gonna probably get like some labels even and like label them so I know what's what. And I'll definitely leave the link to this little bag thing. It just hangs on top of the door. I did have the little hangers, like the wig hangers, if y'all know what I'm talking about, and you can hang them up, but my wig, some of the wigs were too heavy and it would like fall off the hanger. So this is a lot more functional. I bought this little shelf thing to put all my hair products on because I had a lot of different hair products, and it's easier to just be able to see them right here whenever I'm sitting down doing my makeup. I can just see everything that I need. So we got like rollers, the hair dye stuff, brushes, more hair dye, glue, like conditioners. Down there I have more like camera stuff. We have a whole bunch of braiding hair. Yeah. Oh, and these are just some boxes of some wigs that I gotta do a video for. And we got tripods back there, and then these are just some extra shelves for those if I need them. So that's that little closet. I didn't really get a chance to organize it, but I just have more lipsticks. But I do have a lot of PR boxes downstairs, so once I open that stuff, I might end up putting my PR stuff in these drawers over here.
All right, y'all, so this is basically the entire beauty room. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me organize and decorate in this room. My main goal was for it to be functional and easy to find whatever products I need whenever I'm getting ready. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, King Killers. Mwah.